Hello everyone, this is Justin with Green Residential. So today I'm looking at a garbage disposal, and what I'd like to talk to you about is a very typical scenario that indicates your garbage disposal needs to be replaced. So the way a garbage disposal works is up here there's like a chamber inside there that the food gets put in, and it grinds the food up and it goes down the drain line. Now below that chamber is the motor. What happens is over time that chamber will rust out. It's made of steel, and eventually it leaks, and it will leak down into the motor compartment. Here is a picture with an infrared camera. You see that glowing portion of the garbage disposal? That is that chamber that it has water in it, and water releases a large part of the energy it absorbs. So in an infrared camera it will show up, that energy will show up. So that inner chamber there is the white part, and the cooler part, the purple part, is the motor. So that inner chamber over time, since it's made of steel, will rust, and it'll get to a point where it will start leaking into the motor compartment. So when you see water leaking out the bottom of your garbage disposal, that is an indication that your garbage disposal needs to be replaced. Well, I hope this video was helpful. If you found it helpful, it'd be much appreciated if you hit that thumbs up button. You can also subscribe to this channel. We put out videos like this on a regular basis. They include just general knowledge about houses, and also simple repairs that many homeowners can do themselves. Well, have a great day, and bye for now.